Good morning, all. Hope you all fine. Okay, welcome to our English class. All of you take your textbook, semester 2, and take page number 2. In our previous class, we discussing about history of the Mughal Empire, and I already done the first paragraph of development of miniature paintings. Now, today we are going to take the second paragraph of that part. Okay, all of you listen carefully. When Babur took control, a Muslim tradition of miniature paintings was already existing in its initial phases. Mughal miniature painting showed the influence of Persian painting. However, it quickly moved away from Persian ideas and became truly Indian in style and theme. Mir Sayyid Ali, Al-Samad was some of the early Persian artists. Another artist named Govardhan worked under Akbar, Jahangir and Shah Jahan. The art form reached its height during the rule of the fourth Mughal emperor, Jahangir. After Jahangir's death, the other emperors were not as keen about this art form, hence, it declined and slowly died out after his death. When Babur took control, a Muslim tradition of miniature paintings was already existing. In the medieval India, at the time of Mughals, there is a Muslim tradition of miniature paintings was already existing. In that time, we can see the Muslim traditional of miniature paintings. It is took control by Babur. In its initial phases of Mughal miniature painting showed the influence of Persian paintings. In this kind of miniature paintings, we can see a small influence. What do you mean by influence? The meaning of influence is effect. In a small effect, we can see that what is that? A Persian painting. We can see in this type of miniature paintings, we can see that as the effect of Persian paintings. However, it quickly moved away from Persian ideas and became truly Indian in style and theme. Then after we can see that the in the influence of Persian painting after the some years we can see that the Persian ideas changed into this became truly Indian in style and theme. Mir Sayyid Ali Abd al Samad were some of the early Persian artists. Who are the early Persian artists? Sayyid Ali Abd al Samad. Who are the some early Persian artists? Another artist named Govardhan worked under Akbar, Jahangir, and Shah Jahan. The another early Persian artist who named Govardhana, who worked under the emperors of Akbar, Jahangir, and Shah Jahan. The art form reached its heights during the rule of the fourth Mughal emperor Jahangir. This art form, that is miniature paintings. These type of miniature paintings reached its height during at the time of the fourth Mughal emperor Jahangir. He likes arts very much. That's why this type of arts reach its height. After Jahangir's death, the other emperors were not as keen about this art from hence. It declined and slowly died out after his death. After the death of Jahangir who supports arts. After his death, the other emperors were not interested in such kind of arts. That's why it declined and slowly died out after Jahangir's death. I think you got the idea of this paragraph. Okay, we can move the last paragraph. Mughal paintings was a court art. It was never popular among the common people. It developed under the support of the ruling Mughals emperors and declined when the rulers lost interest. The out of job artists moved to neighboring kingdoms. They carried with the Mughal art style but changed their presentation of subjects to suit the taste of their new patrons. This is how Mughal miniature painting spread to other Indian courts. In this paragraph, we can see that Mughal painting was a court art. In that time, in the Mughal period, this type of miniature paintings considered that it is a court art. Court art. It is not popular among the common peoples. It is only popular in courts. It developed under support of the ruling Mughal emperors and declined when the rulers lost interest. It is only developed under the support of the emperors. And when the lost of such emperors like Jahangir, the interest of these kind of arts declined and lost the other peoples and the other emperors lost the interest in such kind of arts. That's why the out of job artists moved to neighboring kingdoms. No one interested in arts that time. The out job artist, that means the artists who moved to neighboring kingdoms. They were going to another kingdom because their peoples not and lost their interest in arts. They carried with them the Mughal art style but changed their presentation of subjects to suit the taste of their new patrons. The artist moved another neighboring kingdoms. That time they carried the Mughal art style too. They moved another kingdoms. The same time they carrying Mughal art style too. And they have make a little bit changes in that. What is that? They only change the subject only. They change subject only because of they changed the subject in the taste of their new patrons. What do you mean by patrons? Patrons, people who support writers and artists. When they move another neighboring kingdoms and they carrying the Mughal art style too, they make a little changes in the subject because of their new patrons. Patron means who supports art and writers. This is how Mughal miniature painting spread to other Indian courts. This why, that means the artist who moved to neighboring kingdoms, they make changes in Mughal art style. That's why we can say that this Mughal miniature painting spread to other Indian courts. That is the summary of this part, development of miniature paintings. All of you read this paragraph clearly. Then I think all of you got the meaning of this paragraph. Okay. Thank you, my dears.